guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw eyeliner. First off, I'm going to be using a gel liner, and if you have felt tip pencil you can use that, but for this video I'm going to be using a gel liner, and I'm using this one from Focalor, and I'm also going to be using a pencil brush. So I have two different types of pencil brushes. I'm showing you one of the one that I haven't used, how it looks like, and I'm also going to be showing you the one that I've used. So next I'm going to dip in the pot and make sure I have a really good amount and they well packed in the pencil brush. And next I'm going to be drawing the liner. So first off, I'm starting from the edges, the outer point of my eye. I'm going to be drawing like a straight line. When you're drawing your liner, make sure that you try as much as possible to not be too hard on your eye. Just draw a tiny stroke bit by bit, keep tracing until you get the perfect line. I'm gonna be showing you how it looks like when I'm done doing that. Keep lightly filling it in until you can't see your skin on your eyelids, or you can't see your skin or the eyeshadow. And if you're satisfied with that, you can move on ahead to do the other side of your eye. Or if you're not, keep filling it in until you get the perfect liner. For this, I'm not going to be doing a really bold eyeliner. I'm just doing the regular liner that I would usually do. If you want to do a wing liner, you can use this. You just have to fill the end of the liner and trace it. This is one eye done. You can see how my eyeliner looks. I'm gonna do the other eyeliner to show you how both of them look together. When you're doing the other side of your eye, make sure to trace and make sure that the eyeliner is the exact way the other eye is looking. Do not draw one eye longer than the other. So I'm going to be measuring both eyes. I'm going to be using the other eye as reference to make sure that I don't overdraw my liner. If I did, I would try to make sure that the both of them look exactly the same. This is just a really tiny stroke of liner, nothing really serious. When I fill in the areas, I'm making sure that the liner is not thick and overly drawn. This is the finished look. This is how my both liner looks like. If you're not satisfied, you can go ahead to fill it in again. For this, I want my liner to look more like a wing, but not serious like a wing. So I'm just going to retrace it again, refill the edges of the liner to make the end of the liner thick. And if that's the kind of liner you're going for, that's fine. But this is just for the regular everyday liner, nothing really serious or nothing serious. This is how my eyeliner is looking like. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two things from this video or from this tutorial. Do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to watch my other videos to stay connected as well. Bye guys.